Corrosion of metals is the destruction of metals due to chemical or electrochemical effects of the environment. The most common type of corrosion is electrochemical corrosion. Electrochemical corrosion is a process of metal destruction that occurs in an electrolyte environment. The process is accompanied by the appearance of an electric current inside the system. Corrosion is currently causing significant economic damage to enterprises. This is especially important in the oil and gas industry, as expensive equipment is used, as well as economic costs are included as a result of equipment downtime when replacing parts, disruption of technological processes, oil and gas leaks. Electrochemical protection is an effective way to protect finished products from electrochemical corrosion. This is a process carried out under the influence of a constant electric field on protected metal or alloyed object. In accordance with departmental building codes and guidelines for use of electrically insulating inserts for gas pipelines and service stations of Gazprom, the use of electrically insulating inserts in the construction of gas pipelines is mandatory. Significant development of Engineering Manufacturing Center, or IPC, is an electrically insulating insert, pipe electrical insulating joints, or PEIJ. They are intended for electrical separation of pipelines in order to increase the efficiency of electrochemical protection of pipeline systems. Reliability and durability surpasses many existing connections. Pipe electrical insulating joints consist of two metal branch pipes with connecting sizes corresponding to the pipeline, connected among themselves by one piece sleeve joint. Tightness is ensured by O-rings of a special rubber profile, which are compressed between the contact surfaces of nozzles, coupling, and liner. Inner and outer surfaces of PEIJ can be protected by one or another type of coating, depending on operating conditions and customer requirements. Additional equipment of PEIJ with instrumentation is possible. PEIJ can be installed anywhere in the pipeline and does not require additional maintenance. The presence of internal and external coatings ensures trouble-free operation in aggressive environments, gas, liquid, or gas and liquid. Advantages of PEIJ are as following. It can withstand large mechanical loads, Category A according to classification of PGSC Gazprom. It can withstand high pressures, up to 400 atmospheres. Its service life is not lower than the service life of the pipeline. It can be installed at any place of the pipeline and in any climatic conditions. Technical characteristics of PEIJ for gas industry are shown on the screen. In accordance with the intended purpose, modifications for oil pipelines and product pipelines are also produced. Technical characteristics of PEIJ for the oil industry are shown in the tables on the screen. Over 15 years, more than 400,000 PEIJs have been installed and are still in trouble-free operation in the gas supply system, oil and gas production, as well as utilities. The recognition of our competence and the status of entering into the register of specialized products for delivery to the facilities of the Unified Gas Supply System of PGSC Gazprom.